when fantasy becomes reality. My love start in Facebook. I'm sure many of you didn't think that cyber love can become reality, right? Well, my love actually does come true, and it all starts on Facebook. When he adds me as a friend on Facebook, I think, who is this guy? Then I approved him, not knowing who he was. I start to look at his wall and his pictures. I smile alone, and I don't know what the reason was. Then one day he tagged me in one of his picture. It was bak kut teh, a Chinese medicated soup. I thought, why is he tagging me? Then I ignore the thought, thinking that it is just tagging, nothing special. We start commenting on his friend's wall, and we chat. Things go on as usual, as he did not online often. One day during my revision on BSE, breast self-examination, I tag the male breast cancer to him, and other friends, and we started commenting. His friend is my son in the virtual life, Facebook only. Then, in one of his comments, he said, "Can I be the dad?" As I said, that my virtual son does not have a virtual dad, then I said, "Yeah, sure," but my virtual son said, he wants another dad. Funny comments, I thought, smiling to myself. During Father's Day, I sent him a message, saying Happy Father's Day. I think it is cute, smile, and on June 30th he gave me his phone number, and we start text messaging. It was fun texting with him. I feel happy and feel I want to spend more time with him. As times go by, we text messaging and calling only, that's our routine. He wants to see me before he leaves, but I got class on that day. He said he wants to take care of me. He wants to be my boyfriend, but I asked him a time before I decided, and he agreed. At 8th of July 2010, I finally make my decision. I agreed to be his girlfriend, and he was really happy, although we never met each other before, but my soul telling me that he is the one. Our relationship runs smoothly. My friend said, "Aren't you afraid that the love you shared with him will vanish tomorrow?" 11th of December 2010. I'm afraid that her words will come true, but my feelings strengthen my heart, and I pray so that everything will be fine. And our love will remain the same when we meet at 11th of December 2010. Yeah. It's true, when I meet him, my heart pounding fast, although I never meet him before, my heart could tell to whom they belong. I am so happy, still now our relationship grew stronger and stronger. Even though distance kept us apart, but our love remains.